It's your girl Kay back with a random yet informative video, and I am coming to y'all with a try-on haul from Shein. And it's like a little mini box, but it's my first time ordering from them, and I basically wanted to document or review everything that I ordered. And so I'm bringing y'all this try-on haul. Make sure you stay tuned to see everything that I put together or that I ordered. But before we get into this video, because I don't want it to be too long, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell and share with at least 2 people. But yeah, let's get into it. I've been looking on their site for like over a year now, but every time I put stuff in the cart, I just never seem to buy it. First ones, I have these, and I ordered a size 40, which I believe is a 9 or 8.5 or 8. I'm not sure, but I ordered a size 40, and basically here they are. They're orange, and the detail. This is a really cute shoe. Like, I'm not even a cap. These are so cute. And then a picture or something should pop up of me trying it on. So, yeah. These are cute. Freaking 10 out of 10. These are boys. I'm trying to get into wearing heels more because I feel like I'm a lot tomboyish. But this is just a simple shoe. Simple yet cute. I love the details. First time ordering, and honey, I freaking love how they came. They look exactly like the picture. I'll do the picture and then I'll do me trying it on. But yeah, so in these I ordered a 39, and you'll see how these look on my feet. And I love like the detail, and honey, oh my god. I just love getting presents in the gift. Even though you know you ordered stuff, you just love getting in the gift because it's like, oh my gosh, I got presents, surprise. But yeah, so these I was thinking summer vibes. Like, I love bohemian vibes, so this is what it was totally giving me. They look weird, I'm not gonna cap, but these are so gorgeous. Like, honey, you ever find something that's just like weird, but it's so cute at the same time? This shoe, recommend. And this one's a 42. I believe the last one 39, so I'm guessing it's like an 8. I'm not sure. I have to go recheck because I get confused with these sizes, but I read the comments before I get them. And honey, I couldn't pass. These were gone. And then the other ones, these, but it's these orange slides in the medium. And how I was thinking is wearing them with like, I don't know, socks, like some crazy socks, and a sweatshirt or a t-shirt, maybe jeans, or my basketball sweatshirt. Hopefully the colors are messed up on here, but it's basically yellow. Yeah, I don't know if I don't know how I feel. They look different on the thing, but yeah. And then we're gonna get into the clothes. Trying to get out of my comfort zone too, so I ordered a lot of what I wouldn't normally wear, i.e. color or style. So look at me growing up. So basically, this first top, this long sleeve, and it's brown. It's so cute. The material is stretchy material. Okay. I'm not really sure how to describe other material. You can feel the lines, if that makes sense. It's very liney. But yeah. And then I ordered the size small. So this is a small. And they all come in these bags. Like most of this clothing that I got from the bags. And then I ordered some earrings, but they're all kind of spread apart a little bit. I'm just gonna go with the earrings that I have right here. These are the earrings. They came in a set. There we go. Ooh, yeah, they came in a set. So the other one, very new. As I mentioned before, all the clothes that I got came in these bags. I'm not sure how I feel about them, but
you know, there's people who's like, "Oh, use plastic." Me personally, try to be true to non-plastic, but I don't know, these are kind of cool. These are kind of cool. How all individually wrapped.
This is the next one. It's crop top, and it's like off the shoulder, kinda. And low-key skeptical because like when I tried these on, how they are. And this one is a small too. But it's just like the detailing or the texture is kind of like the other one, but it's a little bit thicker. I can tell it's thicker. And then you start walking around opening up candy. Ooh la la. This color is, oh. Okay, so this is a sundress. It's not even I don't know. It's a dress. And it's basically a halter top dress. As you see it, it reminds me of the 90s or something. So halter top dress. This is really cute. Texture is the same as the other shirts I described. Thick though, I really like that too. And then I got a small. So most of these I ordered a small and an extra small because most of everything I ordered is girly. I just need a little spice in my life, but yeah, I kind of got it to match these. And look, honey. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, God. Ooh, this is gonna be a fit. I don't know where I'm gonna go to wear this, but it's giving me vacay vibes. Vacation vibes, sure. But anyway, so here's the little boobies. It had padding in the back to help with slips and whatnot. I'm not sure if it's gonna help with me, but we're gonna go. Padding, and then all material is like see-through and actually crocheted. Like, honey, they did that. Literally crocheted. And this was actually one size, so whoever ordered, anybody can fit pretty much. For the next one, I have these. It's a set. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the set feels kind of thin, i.e. cheap, but maybe when you put it on, it's gonna look otherwise. Then you jazz it up with some jewelry, and then how I was thinking about wearing it was basically these and the heels. So these, this outfit, and then the heels. But that kind of go. Or the sandals. Or look. Bump. Child says I really needed some no-show socks because I wear a lot of shoes that have no-show socks, or at least the style that I wear now. It requires no-show socks. So, and it came in this little package here. Next, I ordered the infamous top. Everyone's been wearing it. I'm like, ain't gonna lie, that top is cute. I wanted to pull it off. It's a scarf, honey. Y'all are wearing long scarves. But when I looked at it, I haven't really saw a person with like small cha-chas wear them. But I'm like,
who won't stop me?
Right then. I love the material though. Like, it's amazing. Stretchy. Quality. As seen Josh said. But yeah, 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna show you, but I'll show you the color. It was literally no colors. But it's a really cute material. And so I tried these on and they did not fit. Like, at all. Like, It's a small. I probably need an extra small for me. Yeah, not fit at all. Here's the top. So cute. Now, fun fact, this actually did fit, but I don't. This was amazing. Like, I just don't understand why the other one didn't fit me like this. I have this romper. And I'm gonna give you a quick peek at that. Basically, it's like a tie-dye romper. And it's shorts. Totally out of my comfort zone. Reminds me of a dress my mom had. So, low-key, can be twinning. And then the back is open. And then you see the straps. Yes, you see. A little bit big, more of a thing, but it's okay. This top. It's like, look like a zombie attack. Not even gonna work. I don't even know which way to put it on. Oh, I guess this is the front and this is the back though. Okay. Because the front, it has like this, I don't know, whatever. I'll give up on the light right now. But yeah, it's like a zombie attack. It's cool though, it's cool. It's a stretchy material though, and oh look, okay. So the front, it has that little thing in the middle. And then it looks like Saber Tooth's werewolf is slashed the bottom half, and then stretchy, and then they just put lines on there. Next, we have this set back with the chocolate or brown. Kind of basketballish, but I feel like these are cute, and the material is thick. The top. This is actually really cute. Look on it. Just look. I don't know if you can tell what I'm trying to do, but it's like, okay, you just see it on. But size small, really cute, and guess what? Pockets. I'm big on pockets because I feel like carrying less stuff in summer, especially since stuff goes on, it's the best thing. All that I ordered from Shein or Shein, however you're supposed to pronounce it. Okay, that's Shein, Shine. Yes, that's all I ordered. Stay tuned for my next video. And turn on the post notification bell. And don't forget to like the video. Let's get this video to at least 5 likes. Y'all been slacking on your likes. Like, I don't know what's up with y'all, but y'all need to get back in your game and go like the videos and go watch the videos that I previously put out. Yes, I'm talking to you. You're right there. You. I'm talking to you. Go watch the video and go like the video. You're supposed to be my supporter. Come on, people, what's wrong? Talk to me, what's wrong? Okay. But yeah, that's enough of me. Until next time, peace.